The land of Catania uses gold coins and silver coins. Gold coins are 1 millimeter thick, and silver coins are 3 millimeters thick. In how many ways can Taylor make a stack of coins that is exactly 8 millimeters tall? Using any arrangement of gold and silver coins, where the order of the coins in the stack matters. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The order matters, so we are counting ordered stacks. Let f of n be the number of stacks that are exactly n millimeters tall. Look at the top coin. It is either a gold coin, which is 1 millimeter, leaving a stack of height n-1, or a silver coin, which is 3 millimeters, leaving a stack of height n-3. So f of n equals f of n-1 plus f of n-3. There is one way to make an empty stack, so f of 0 is 1, and a negative height is impossible, so it counts as 0. Now let's build the table. F of 1 is 1, and f of 2 is 1. F of 3 is f of 2 plus f of 0, which is 1 plus 1, equals 2. F of 4 is f of 3 plus f of 1. 2 plus 1, equals 3. F of 5 is f of 4 plus f of 2. 3 plus 1, equals 4. F of 6 is f of 5 plus f of 3. 4 plus 2, equals 6. F of 7 is f of 6 plus f of 4. 6 plus 3, equals 9. And f of 8 is f of 7 plus f of 5. 9 plus 4, equals 13. So there are 13 ways to build a stack exactly 8 millimeters tall. The answer is 13.